Hey guys, Beefcake. Just want to go over something we've got going on for our 2018 Mustang. As you know, last year we took our 2018 Mustang, we took the whole powertrain, moved it over to a lighter chassis in our 2015 car. So we're going kind of from the ground up. With the 2018 car, we've got a stock engine, but we'll be doing oil pump gears and crank sprocket. 6R80, we will be doing a Suncoast Stage 2 kit in that, along with one of their converters. So we're gonna have all that. Supercharger, of course, we won't put it back together without a supercharger. Our friends over at VMP sent us an Odin with an 8-rib kit. It's gonna be pretty badass on it. But since we had the turbo on the car, we had to pull all the old exhaust off. It's long been sold. We didn't, a couple years ago, we didn't realize what we'd be doing. So our good friends at Stainless Works have sent us a set of their stainless power headers and one of their catbacks on the way. But today I just wanted to go over the stainless power headers with you. So these are the S550 stainless power headers. Really nice quality. This is their, what you would call their economy series. It's a little bit less expensive and features a 2-year warranty. They do still offer a lifetime warranty setup too in the Stainless Works name. Now these are stainless power, so they're made by Stainless Works, but the stainless power version, so they're a little bit different. But these will fit from a 15 all the way up to the 2023 Ford Mustang. Fitment is the same on all these. So what you get your headers. It has a real nice thick flange on it, welded really nice. All your welds are real nice, high quality. You're going to get your catalytic converters. Being a supercharger, we want to do high flow catalytic converters on it. We try to do catalytic converters on everything these days. That's just the way that everything's going. So that's what we do on all of our builds. So we do have catalytic converters on here as well. Then in addition, we've got our lead pipes. So this is a Performance Connect system. You can get 3 types of lead pipes on these. What the Performance Connect is, if you're buying a Stainless Works headers and a Stainless Works exhaust at the exact same time, you can get a full 3-inch connection. So you've got a full 3-inch slip connection. The factory has a neck down to about 2.5 inches. On the 11 to 14, I think it's 2.75. There's a 2-bolt factory connection clamp. So you can buy headers at any point, you can buy catback at any point. With these, you buy them at the exact same time, you can delete that connection point and get a full 3-inch connection. I actually helped them design what's called the LG version 2. So if you buy a catback and then you decide to buy the headers later on, they've got a 14-inch extension on them that you can kind of chop your exhaust off on the end, the neck down, and you've got the extension there that you can slip over the pipe. So some guys like to do that as well. The other things that you get, Stainless Works, just so they keep one part number, they actually send 2 sets of extensions. They send extensions for the 15 to 17 and for the 18 to 23. I think from a manufacturing standpoint, it's easier just to have one part number, so they'd rather spend a couple bucks on an extra O2 sensor versus doing a whole other part number, inventory numbers, and all that. They also give you a full set of header bolts. Now, we tell everybody, just like when you're building your engine and you're taking the head bolts out and putting head studs in, the factory actually comes with head studs. Head studs are always going to be stronger, so we reuse as many head studs as possible. Most time, we only end up using maybe 1 or 2 bolts when we do the installations. You've also got some silicone in here. Your factory gasket is a 5-layer gasket, and usually it's very reusable. Our 2011 car, we probably had headers on and off of that thing probably 12 times, and never bought a new set of gaskets for it. They do send you some silicone they recommend putting on each side of that gasket though. I believe their instructions may even say just use silicone, but we use the factory 5-layer. We do put some new silicone. Some guys, if they've got some higher miles, they will go ahead and order a new set of Ford 5-layer gaskets. That's kind of up to your discretion, but that's what we normally do. And then the last thing would be all the clamps to put everything together. And again, you would have 2 less clamps if it was a factory connection system, because you would have your 2-bolt slip clamp already. But so Stainless Works is going to give you clamps for all the way around. Anyway, stay tuned for the new 2018 build. I guess it's an old build, but it's resurfing itself. We got a new front look to it. We've got a lot of cool stuff going on, and we'll keep you updated on that build too. Anything you need, Mustang, F-150, all your parts needs, you look around the warehouse. We've got $1 million inventory here. A lot of guys are just drop shipping. We got a lot of stuff for you here at beefcakeracing.com.